In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize your Salesforce environment. We're diving into the Salesforce Lightning interface, which is a powerful and user-friendly platform for managing your customer relations. Let's get started by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're logged into your Salesforce account, you'll want to ensure you're on the homepage to access everything you need. If you've already set up your environment, it should load by default. If not, just click on the home icon in the upper left corner. Next, we're going to explore the App Launcher. The App Launcher is your go-to tool for accessing all the apps within Salesforce. You can find it at the top left of your screen. Click on the grid-like icon, which will open a drop-down menu displaying all the different apps you can access. This is an excellent resource for navigating through Salesforce products quickly and efficiently. From the App Launcher, click on Accounts. The Accounts tab is a central hub for all the businesses and individuals you manage within Salesforce. By clicking Accounts, you'll be taken to a page that lists all your recently viewed accounts. This allows you to quickly find and work with the data most relevant to your current tasks. Now, let's dive deeper by clicking the arrow down button next to Recent. This drop-down gives you more options for how you view and organize your accounts. Selecting all accounts from this list will display every account you have access to, offering a comprehensive view of all your client information. Next, we're going to make use of filters to refine the information displayed. Click on Filters to open options for sorting and refining your data. This feature allows you to customize the data view to suit specific needs, which can greatly enhance your productivity. Now that you've opened the Filter panel, you'll want to click on Filter by Owner. Here you can sort accounts based on the owner, making it easier to manage and delegate tasks within teams. Once you've selected your filter preference, ensure you click Done to apply changes. If you wish to refine your data even further, click on Add Filter. This is where you can get specific about the data you want to focus on. After adding a filter, click on Field to choose your relevant field. This might be anything from account name, type, or status, whatever is pertinent to your work. After selecting the desired field, click on Operator to specify how you want to handle the data, such as equals, contains, or starts with. Once you've chosen an operator, input your data of choice to define the filter criteria. With everything set, click Done to confirm and apply this filter. Once satisfied with your filtered view, make sure to save your settings by clicking Save, so you can easily return to this arrangement in the future. By following these steps, you'll have expertly navigated through Salesforce to efficiently manage your accounts and streamline your business process. With practice, these maneuvers will make your Salesforce experience both productive and intuitive.